Hey everyone, it's me Vaishnav Gary, and these are my Propel Star Wars drones. So these drones are made by Propel and they are based off of the actual Star Wars movies, and as you can see the box is pretty detailed and it has like the 3D printed plastic versions of them on top. And I have the collector's edition, so it comes with a special collector's edition box. So let me just open it up and show you guys what it's all about. So this one right here is the speeder bike, and I'm sure you guys have seen that in the actual Star Wars movies. And what's cool about these boxes are, first of all, they're rechargeable, so it's like a display box, and as soon as I close it, it stops, and it comes, if I open it again, it comes with a different track. So it has soundtracks from the actual movie, so that's pretty cool. And so you can hear that, right? So that's from the actual movies. And let me show you the TIE Fighter. So as you can see, these things are actually really detailed and they look exactly like the ones in the movies, and I have the collector's edition, so they're hand painted as well, so it has like that extra graphics and stuff. So if you can come close, I can show it here. So it's all hand painted and stuff. As you can see, it's like really detailed on top of there. So yeah, that's about it. And the TIE Fighter has more tracks. It has about some 8 to 10 tracks based on the movies. And so those are our boxes. So let's open them up and see what it's all about. So let's get this out of the way. That's the box. So I have 2 separate ones. So if you come close, I can show you what's inside. So as you can see, as soon as you open up the box, the first thing that you see are the wall charger and batteries and the extra accessories box. So let's just open that up and see what's all. So here there's the battery and the wall charger, and the charger is pretty cool. So this is how it looks like, and the battery just goes in, and it has a little port right here, and we just plug it in and then plug it in right here. So that's about it. And one good thing about Propel drones is that they give us a lot of extra accessories. Like they give us a lot of propellers. So there's 3 batteries for the drone itself, and over here there are propellers and then the extra props for it, and a set of A propellers and B propellers. And if we go through, there's the training cage. So of course I recommend people who are flying drones for the first time to use the training cage, especially for indoor flights because there are possibilities of you crashing it. So this is the training cage, and it basically just clips onto the motors, and that's about it. And the coolest part of it all is probably my favorite part is the controller. So it's a pretty damn awesome controller. So can you come close? I can show you. So this is the controller, and it's based off of that all dark theme and stuff. And as soon as I turn it on, so it has lights, and here there's the indicators. Like when you're playing with other drones, there's this thing called IR battle. So in the IR battle, you can see how much damage you're taking, and you get basically 3 points. And if you open this up, this is your phone holder. So you can attach your phone and then look at the app made by Propel, and it's really good, to be honest. And here there's the control for the barometric sensor. So yeah, it's got that stability control, anything. It's probably one of the most stable drones that I've flown, and it's pretty fun to fly. And there's 4 buttons here, and this is for calibration, this is for automatic takeoff and landing, and these are the controls, so it's pretty cool. And at the back you have 4 buttons. One is to change the rate, so you can fly the drone at different speeds. There's around 4 speeds. And the other is to do flips and then rolls and stuff like that. So that's about it. So I've got the drone set up, and as you can see I have the training cage on, and this is the battery. So I'll just put it in. That's about it. And the controller is just hold on to this. Good. And again, that's the soundtrack from the movies. Now, first of all, before flying, I suggest you calibrate, so it's the top right button. First it's up, down. And it's a 1-button takeoff, so as you can see, it's really stable, and I have really good control of it. So let's just keep it over here, forward, then to the left, to the right. And of course you can do flips as well, but here, enjoy. So that's how you do a flip. So let me just land it. So it's a 1-button takeoff, and let's do this. So I've got this drone set up as well. So this dude moves the stormtrooper, and battery just clips in like that. And let me turn on the remote. Let's keep it on the floor first. So that's about it. And that's controller. Okay, now let's do the auto takeoff. As you can see, it's really stable. So let me end it. So let's do the auto takeoff. So it's really stable.
Can you flip it once?
Yeah, sure. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And one thing I forgot to mention in the video is that if you have two of these Propel Star Wars drones, you can battle them. So they have some infrared sensors on them, so there's an app and stuff, so they shoot, like infrared lasers. Of course you can't see them, and you can battle and you get points and stuff like that. So I'll be making some more videos on the flight of this. Of course, these drones were meant to fly outside, so of course it needs a lot of space and stuff like that. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Thank you.